Hello, welcome. This is Birdy. Welcome to a new lesson on Houdini. Today we will finish our series Missile Trail with Pyro in Houdini. So let's get started. So let's continue, guys. Now, after we finish the Pyro, let's do something new. We will use geometry light to emit the glowing effect in the smoke trail. Okay, yes, we will use pillow smoke shader, but also we will add a glow for it, okay, to give us the effect of the missiles. Okay, so first let's go to the emitter. Let's do something here, same as we did for the P scale by edge. We will do another one. Okay, so I will simply just copy C, control copy V. Let's get inside. Let's make sure. Yeah, okay, perfect. Everything is perfect. But we will change this. We will change these parameters. Okay. First, I will make this 4 at the beginning. No, not 4. I will make it very. I will leave it in 1. Okay. And also here, it's 0 and 1. Right. This is the default. So already we can see it in the color. Okay, so we need to make the opposite. We need to make the white color at the beginning and the black color at the tail, right? So we'll opposite this. We'll make 0 and 1, right? This is first. Second, we need to reduce this white to be just at the top. Okay, so let's reduce it by, as we can see here, yeah, something like this. Maybe I'll make it 0.5. You know, I will make it 0. Yeah, maybe something like this. Okay, perfect. So now let's name this null object. Let's name it out light. Okay, so we have the outlight here. It escaped just for not waiting for all this to make cache. Make another geometry and name this one light. Okay, let's get inside here. Let's first make object merge. Let's brought what we did here outlight, right? So now we have the same lines that we had before, right? Okay, next let's make a sphere and let's make a copy 2 points. Okay, so if we bring this here, bring this one here and bring this one here, and as we can see here now, we'll start to see a sphere that take a shape, but it's not very obvious because we need to increase the size a little bit. Yeah, something like this. As we can see it now, it become much obvious now. I'll make it 0.2. Yeah, something like this. Perfect. Also, let's delete that we don't need from the gray color. Okay, we just need the white itself. So let's make another attribute. No, I will make a blast, right? Let's stand here just to see what we have so far. I'll make it cd dot x smaller than 3. Okay. Oh, I'm sorry, smaller by 0.3. Yeah. Let me see the different. Yeah, and make it on the point. Yes. As we can see now, we only have the white. So we can see here there is a huge difference, right? So now we have the missile fireworks. Okay, let's name this as a fireworks, right? So I will make it. Okay. Let's name it fireworks. Let's give it a color, because we will use this color when we generate or create or emit the light. Okay, and this will be null. Out fireworks. Okay, now as we can see, we have the fireworks separated. So now let's create our light geometry. Let's maybe stand here. I want to hide. Yeah, okay. I want to hide the pyro. I just want to see the fireworks, or I can show it. It's okay, but you have to select it and press geometry light. Perfect. So as we can see here, it took the light. As we can see here, it made light, right, from the sphere that we did. Okay, perfect. So let's render to see what we have so far. Let's show the jet. Okay, I will hit Control S. Yeah, looks nice. This is the jet, what I think. The missile is a little, you know what? I think I will make the jet a little smaller. Yeah, I think I will make I'll make it a little smaller. Yeah, something like this. Perfect. Yeah, but now, oh yeah, okay. Perfect. Okay. Back. Yes. Okay. Let's continue. So next, just I want to make sure that this missile is going out from the plane, goes to other objects. Yeah, it goes out from the plane. As we can see here, it goes out from the plane, literally from the plane, goes out from the plane, like it's hit by this missile. Anyway, let's continue. Now let's make the scene setup. I will make a sky light, and also I may use environment light. Read the environment light. I will use, you can use any of this HDRI image. You will find it exactly here, because it's saved by default with Houdini. Okay, when you install the program, so you will find it here. Everyone has those three. Okay, but for me, I have another plane. Okay, I think in the texture, yeah, I have this. Yeah, perfect. I have another HDRI image. I think I will use it. I don't need to see it. Enable light in viewport. I don't need to see it in the new port. Let's make a camera. Lock the camera. Maybe something like this. Yeah, okay. Maybe something like this. Okay. We can make the camera move with everything else by make, I think, what was its name? Not sure. Yeah, I think it's called Revit. Yeah, Revit. Revit can take any moving object, and everything you connect it with it will move with same move of this object. Okay, so let's say we have the jet here, and this is the out jet. Okay, so if I connect this to the out jet, yeah, this is the out jet. So if I connect it with the camera, now we will see the camera is moving with us, but I think we have to put a number here, maybe 50. Yeah, 50. So as we can see, the camera is the camera will still will. Okay, let me show you. Hit escape. Yeah, here. Yeah. So we can see the camera. As we can see, the camera here will move. As we can see here, it's moving with the plane, right? So anything you want to move with an object as a null or something, just make Revit connect it by the moving object, then connect anything you want to move it parallel with it. Okay, so let's go back. Camera. Yeah, this looks nice. Maybe unlock it here. I will maybe like this. But you know what? I don't want the camera to be moved. So for now, I will simply just make it like this. That really looks very, very cool. And we're still at the beginning. At least I need a 100 frame, not 30 frame. I'll hit escape, go back. Okay, but now we need to cache something just to make sure that we will have something to see in the render. Okay, so but first I will go to the output. Yeah, I have mantra, perfect, physical based render. So let's go next to the maybe going to material here. I already made. Okay, I will delete it. I will add a pillow smoke. This is for the smoke or for the missile, and also let's choose silver for the plane. Okay, it will give it a nice cool color. Not sure why I'm yelling when I'm teaching. I don't know, but anyway, even it's fun, but I'm yelling. Okay, so we have the pillow smoke. I will leave it for now. Let's go to the object again. Okay, I will cache a little frame just to have something to render. Okay, I will back to you now. Okay guys, so let's continue. It's better to go to the pyro import. We don't need this. This is for demonstration only, but anyway, it's better to render what we have here, to cache it. Just save to disk, and after caching, hit load from disk and reload. Okay, so to read what's here, but I don't need to do this now because it will take lots of time, and honestly I want to finish this one. Okay, so let's go to render. Yeah, so first let's go to the pyro import. Yeah, let's give it the pillow smoke that we did already. Okay, second we need material for the jet or for the aircraft, so I'll give it the silver. Okay, but before, yeah, no, I'm not going to give it silver now because it will take lots of time to render, or you know what, I'm not going to render the airplane now. Maybe I will just okay, no problem. I will simply just hide it for now, okay, just to see what we have so far. So let's go to render and let's hit render to see what we have so far. Let's go to the material, go first to pillow smoke. Yeah, okay, this is because pillow smoke has 10 temperature. I will give it 0 temperature. Okay, this is first. Second, maybe I can give it a little more dark color, maybe something like this. Little lighter. Okay, maybe something like this. Okay. Then let's go back to the object. Now let's check what we have so far in the geo light. I will increase the intensity to 100 to see what we have so far. We cannot see much now. There is light, as we can see here, but because it's white, so we cannot see it as we should. I think we don't need to show the fireworks, but let's get inside here. Let's give it another color, maybe an orange color, maybe color like this, and the intensity I will give it 100. Okay. Yeah, something like this. Really give it a little more. Yeah, maybe something a golden, like gold or something, maybe something like this, right? Not sure why this message appears. But okay, looks nice. Let's continue. Let's go back here. Let's go to the geo light. Let's go to the intention object, activate. Let's see what we have so far. Okay, so I will put this value 28.85 and 100 in the, I'm not sure what is FV, but anyway, let's go back here. Let's go to the geo. If I make it 100, the intensity will be very strong. So 10 it will be much better. And also here I will just make this 10. I'll make it 20. Let's see, it's different. Maybe I'll make this 20. Yeah, so this will make the smoke more glowing, right? Luminous. And maybe I will show the jet now. And also okay, what's happening? This is the jet, this is the pyro. Yeah, okay. Make this in. Let me check this below. Temperature 0, okay. I'm not sure why it looks like this, but anyway. I will also go to the environment, render light geometry just to see the. Yeah, but this. Let me see if I hide the jet. Show the jet. Okay, so it's not because of the jet, obviously. So maybe I will make this 10. I think there is some error in the, yeah, simply, yes, it's because of the something wrong happened. So I will simply go to the material, simply delete this one, make another one very fast. Silver, no, not the silver, sorry. Below smoke. Yeah, let's go back to material. Of course I will make this temperature, I make it 0, and also the density, maybe I'll make the density 5. Okay, let's go back to the objects. So let's select below smoke and see what we have so far. Yeah, looks nice. So now maybe we can play with the color of the smoke. If we want to leave it like this, if we want to change it, it's really up to you. I think we have lots of light here. Maybe I will, let me delete this first to see what we have so far. Yeah, okay. Skylight, not a bad idea, but I think we need to enable in viewport skylight. Okay, 5. Let's go to render scene. Okay. No, you know what? I will just delete these two boss. Maybe just make a distant light. Let's stop this for now. Let's go to distant light. Environment light, maybe I'll make it 2. And also I'll make a distant light, maybe light here. Yeah. Not the area light, what's wrong? Distant light, okay. I need a distant light, yes. Maybe something like this. And also, you know what, maybe I can see. Yeah. Maybe I can take its color maybe from here. And also we can change, I think, the rotation. Yeah, we can change the rotation thing from here, maybe like this. Okay, nothing happened. Okay, so let's render this scene. Okay, so maybe I can move the camera a little bit. There's a distant light. Okay, distant light. This environment, this is a distant light. Okay, here looks good. And also let's check the camera. Maybe I can do something like this. So this will be more aggressive, you know. Yeah, this shot will be definitely more aggressive. Also we can go to the material, can check the pillow smoke. Maybe I give it color like this, not totally white. So let's render to see what we have so far. Okay, looks nice. I like it. Maybe the color for the shader for the aircraft is not the best. Maybe you can choose between the materials that we have here: platinum, titanium, iron. I'll make it iron. Let's say iron. If we choose iron, how it's going to be. Yeah, okay. Iron. I don't know why it's okay. So I will test another 2 shader to see which one is better. Let's go to the jet first. Let's choose platinum to see the different. Let's hit render to see. Okay, as we can see it here, maybe you can take a snap. Choose iron and to compare. Okay, so boss looks almost the same, but I like iron more because iron has more shadow. So I will leave iron as it is, and maybe last I will increase the sampling quality, maybe 5. And if you like to add more color or lighting, you can increase the intensity here. Okay guys, and I think this is the result, but of course it's just in the beginning of the render, so I think it will take more time to be ready. And that was it for this lesson. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, please type it below the video. Also, don't forget to like our video and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. And I see you in the next lesson. Have a good day.